You guys, we have everybody with us. People are still joining.
Yeah, people are joining. Let's give it like 2 minutes.
Sure.
Sorry, आपका flow टूटा है.
No, it's perfectly okay because I already quantify the points, so I am perfectly fine. We can start from any point at any time.
हेलो
जी इरफान,
यारून भाई बड़ी अच्छी बातें कर रहे थे, बस ये टेक्नोलॉजी जो है ना
या ये एक्चुअली पता है, ये वो प्रैक्टिसेस है which shifted you from good to great, and the problem is we generally practically never realize them. हमारे सोसाइटी में मैं थोड़ी आपको funny example because again this is a recording mode, so still I just want to share that particular example. मैं points पे आता हूँ. एक social norm, the big thing, the big problem I actually identify in my 13 years, which stops you from exponentially grow in your career, in your life, actually in the practical life. The one problem is the social norms, right? मैं आपको छोटी सी एक एग्जांपल शेयर करूंगा. You will be surprised कि यार हम सारे उस प्रॉब्लम से गुजरे हुए हैं, लेकिन we never realize it in this perspective. ठीक है, हमें बचपन में ना अब्बा जान से पैसे चाहिए होते थे ना कुल्फी वाले के लिए, ठीक है, तो we start asking everybody in the same home कि यार मुझे 10 रुपये चाहिए अब्बा जी से कुल्फी लेनी है. हम अम्मा जी के पास जाएंगे, हम भाई के पास जाएंगे, हम बहन के पास जाएंगे, दादा दादी के पास जाएंगे, अब्बा जान के पास नहीं जाएंगे, right? Because of the obvious reasons we know. अच्छा, the same child when that gonna grow, right? And when he or she is in their schooling or the university times, right? जिस पर्टिकुलर टीए या जिस पर्टिकुलर फैकल्टी मेंबर से हमें मसला है ना, इसके अलावा पूरी यूनिवर्सिटी में हम उसको मिस करेंगे. इसके साथ ये प्रॉब्लम है, ये कंटेंट सही नहीं पढ़ाता, ये इस तरह से गाइड नहीं करता, ये इस तरह से नहीं लेके चलता है, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, राइट? The same guy when he or she comes to the professional career, जिस टीम लीड या पीयर से उसको मसला होगा, उसके अलावा पूरी कंपनी में ये फेमस होगा, इन दो का टकरा है, इन दो की केमिस्ट्री अच्छी नहीं है, these two can't like work in the same team. Can you see one factor we learn from our home कि जिस जगह पे प्रॉब्लम है, if you are not addressing the problem to that point, to that particular person, to that relevant point, in fact you are moving around the solution of the problem, your problem will never be addressed, right? So ये इस तरह की जो social norms है ना, जब तक we are not breaking the barrier built by these social norms, ठीक है. एक बड़ी फेमस एग्जांपल है कि अक्सर ये जो सर्कस में हाथी है, ठीक है, वो जब बहुत छोटा सा बेबी होता है ना, उसको तब से वो बड़े लाइट से एक धागे से बांधना शुरू करते हैं, जस्ट विद स्ट्रिंग, राइट? अच्छा, वो तब बड़ी वो कोशिश करता है, लेकिन वो नहीं जान छुड़ा पाता. विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम a thing, a concept, a belief start building in his mind कि यार मैं इस रस्सी को तोड़ नहीं सकता. And guess what? कि वो इतना बड़ा giant बन जाता है, right? कि apparently we are like getting afraid of that animal, but on the other side वो उसको same रस्सी से बांधते हैं, and he never tried to break that. क्यों? Because he already built it up belief in his mind कि ये मैं नहीं तोड़ सकता, ठीक है? So by God you can do all those things, and you can only change yourself when you start thinking that you actually want to change yourself. So ये कुछ practical, because I learn and prove these assumptions by actually taking an exception steps, right? And anybody in the career standing at any point in the life, you guys can also work on that. It's not a big deal at all. The only thing is change of perspective to think about the problem. Like that is the point which you have to use to do that. So okay, let's come to the points. Okay, so the fourth point is I actually noticed is productivity versus number of hours. Okay, so why it is important to actually, especially in this scenario where we are doing the work from home, productivity versus number of hours effort, right? Why we have to distinguish that particular thing. Again, IT is the only field in the world, computer science and information technology is the only field where you can find 2 years, number of years, the 2 years of experience resource having productivity level of 10 years of guy, right? And on other side, having 10 years of experience in number of experience, having productivity equals to 2 years of experience guy, right? IT is that much relative. That's why you see so much difference in salary structures. That's why you see a guy with 3 year experience working as a principal engineer, and then we gonna say, "Yaar, why not my title is revised?" Right? So the game behind that particular thing is the productivity level which you are doing that. So intentionally, acha ho kya raha hai? Even me, when we are working from home, right? What we are not realizing, we still have to create a work-life balance. Fine. तो होता ही है कि ऑफिस में we start seeing कि यार इस 6:01 इस 6:02 6 बज गए हैं, अब मीटिंग 6:15 पे है, मीटिंग 6:30 पे है, आई सपोज टू लीव फॉर होम ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला। अभी ये हो रहा है कि लीव फ्रॉम होम तो करना ही है, वी आर ऑलरेडी सिटिंग इन होम्स, राइट? And we are not intentionally categorizing that time. Yeah, this is the time which is dedicated for the office. I have to shut my laptop by that time, and then for the rest of the time I have to address those curiosities, those hobbies, those passions which I can build, I can even utilize more, and maybe there is no job existing for even for a quite short period of time, right? Even if you have to balance that particular quality time along with your job, you can only do that when you are feeling this difference of productivity versus number of hours of effort, right? Generally, we never feel. हम कहते क्या है, सीईओ साहब सुबह 9 बजे से मैं 1 बजे मैंने लैपटॉप बंद किया, डेडलाइन फिर अचीव नहीं है, right? अच्छा, the same guy working in there's another guy working in the same team. What he's saying is that, hey, Mr. XYZ CEO, here is the task I did, like I just done with the 3 hours. Here is the status for today. Now I'm gonna have a 50 hours match today, so can I leave for the match? And trust me, a good CEO with you can say a mind in the employer's favor will actually encouraging that case where a guy know how to first focus on your work, right? Using art of ignoring all other stuff, just focusing on the work, get it done well in time, even before time, and then utilizing the time wherever you would like to. Right? So that's how you have to be focused regarding the productivity versus number of hours. Okay, so another important point after this is be more digital. Honestly speaking, मैं आप बड़े एक interesting couple of interesting छोटे incidents I will share with you throughout my career. 4-year graduated people don't have idea that how their email address should be in a professional career, how much influential and effective and socially active they should be when they are graduating on LinkedIn, on Facebook, and on any other social media, right? So when I say Facebook, it doesn't mean the way we generally are active on Facebook, right? What I mean to be active on the Facebook is pretty different, right? What I mean is in how many job related groups you are part of, how many university groups. Okay, sir, let's not talk about the other universities, let's talk about your universities. How many of you are part of your university groups and pages where you can keep getting jobs like notifications even when you are graduating, right? So sadly saying, I really see examples where people are graduating and then they are equally active in the digital world the way I am saying. Okay, so mostly it turned out, sir वो time ही नहीं मिला, वो FYP का time, sir वो classes का time, we never get, किसी ने हमें बताया ही नहीं, right? So okay, किसी ने आपको नहीं बताया how to use iPhone X, right? As soon as you're gonna have iPhone X, you have a very good idea how to use that, right? My daughter is 1.5-year old, right? And she can easily distinguish in the single tap and the double tap, right? I never at least educate her. It's all about how you analyze the things existing, how you focus towards the creative problem to have a creative solution, right? Okay, so if there is a research, by the way. So I am assuming you guys knows well about the LinkedIn and you knows well about the Facebook, right? There is a research which actually depicts that the response on Facebook, you ping any individual on Facebook and you ping the same individual on LinkedIn, the response on the Facebook is 7 times faster. Mary hiring, when I supposed to do hiring, right? I majorly hire people and interact with them through Facebook rather using LinkedIn. Right? The reason is very simple. I am part of around 102 universities groups, around 64 job related groups where I, without investing a single penny, right, on job posting for my company, I can broadcast my message in like hardly 5 to 10 minutes. Right? Okay. On the other side, why my company should pay me really a exceptional amount, because I am saving an exceptional amount on the same thing where the other companies are wasting the amount. Why? Because I am using a creative solution of a creative problem. Right? So that is how you have to think about. So now you, all of you are on the job. Even at this point in time, now Allah blessed all of us with more spared and focused time to be more active in the digital world, right? Make more friends, right? Make yourself more popular in your peers, in your juniors, among your seniors, right? And God knows where you can get an exceptional opportunity in your life. It's not just career, it's about life, right? So you should be utilizing a very small portion of your this quality time to be more active in the digital world. You can build your portfolio. You can build your, if you are good, maybe you are good in art. You would like to build a digital portfolio. You are good in photography. You maybe want to build your photography, right? Photographic portfolio, and you can convert your hobby or passion as an alternative source of income as well, right? And these, honestly, these things are not tough at all, not at all tough. The only thing you need is how you focus, how you plan, and then how much you are honest on your existing job. तो हमारा प्रॉब्लम सबसे मेजर ये है, हम बाकी सब तरफ सिंसियर होते हैं, हम जो at this point in time what we are doing it, we are not sincere to that particular thing. So don't do that. If you are, you think you are not like gonna set, justify your current time but you want to do something else, दोनों तरफ ruin कर जाओगे, right? So justify your this time, utilize your spare time to be really like create and nurture your digital community. It will definitely pay you back in the long run. Next important point is spread happiness and gratefulness, right? अच्छा ये कुछ हमारे रिलीजन पर्सपेक्टिव इसमें है, लेकिन रिलीजन से ज़्यादा आपका इसमें एक सोशल फैक्टर है. हम लोग वी आर सो मच डिजिटल, या हम एक सेम घर में बैठे हुए भाई को कहते हैं कि थ्रू फेसबुक, थ्रू व्हाट्सएप, यानी पंखा तो बंद कर दे, सामने बैठा मेरे को कह रहे हैं यार पंखा तो बंद कर दे. वी आर दैट मच यूज्ड. लिटरली स्पीकिंग, मैं आपको एक बड़ी फनी एग्जांपल बताता हूँ. आई विजिट टू माय कजिन्स होम, राइट? शी हैड 2 daughters, 2 sons. In total she has 4 children. चारों एक ही सोफे पे बैठ के लूडो स्टार खेल रहे हैं. Can you imagine the worst impact of the digital world, right? हमारा जो आर्टिफिशियलिज्म इतना ज़्यादा इन्वॉल्व हो गया है, we are minusing the human factor, right? So please don't do that, right? They just can have a like 50 rupees Ludo and then they can play right being there. They can share the happiness and joy by contributing, just being sitting in the home, right? But what we are doing, we are not actually going that way, right? So that's, add this particular thing intentionally. Do any social effort you can do. आप 500 रुपया स्पेयर कर सकते हो, 200 रुपया स्पेयर कर सकते हो, 2000 स्पेयर कर सकते हो. If you can spare even 20,000, right? आप maybe if you can spare 1,000, but people in your circle who maybe trust on you, and if you are socially active, you can manage to gather some funds. Simply stand on a road and see who are the people who are deserving. Distribute any individual thing. Maybe आजकल अगर आप सिर्फ mask distribute करो, believe me, do it for like without any reward, expecting anything from the human. Just do it for 4 or 5 people. It will cost you 200 rupees hardly, right? You have no idea how much satisfaction you will be feeling, right? So why I add this point. I have so many things to distribute my time, right? In my professional life, right? And by nature, I am a people's person. In this, ये जो अभी ईद उल अजहा गुजरी है, ईद उल फितर गुजरी है, उस पे particularly I decided to contribute from my pocket for an organization जिनमें I would like कि जो भी बच्चे उधर पढ़ रहे हैं, somebody is actually putting an effort to teach slums children on a school running on a street, right? So I try to contribute for them. मैं गया उनके पास, मैंने कहा कि कुछ जो मेरी तरफ से ये मैंने एक नियत की थी कि let's put yourself in a situation जहाँ पे मैं अपने comfort zone से निकल के उनको support करूँ. अच्छा, मैंने वो किया, खैर मैंने किया और मैं भूल गया कि जी ठीक है, जो भी किया होगा मैं खुद से मैनेज नहीं कर सक रहा था कि I have to manage all those things and then I do that. मैंने उसको पैसे दिए and I did it and मैं घर आ गया. He posted on Facebook, somebody come up and do this and this, and it's a very small effort, still it shows an individual's contribution. That's what he did. Believe me, I got 2 million rupees in next 2 weeks from my friends, from my families, from my colleagues, asking me, right, can you do the same thing for us? We cannot be there, right there. Can you do it for me? The same thing, right? That's how a little good actually exponentially grow. I have those food activities in Islamabad, Rawalpindi, Lahore, 3 activities in Gujarat, 2 in Gujranwala, and just other places. I actually manage my 8 weekends to do all those things, even one after the Eid time as well. But honestly speaking, the type of satisfaction, the importance of being blessed by God to spending that 1 rupee, you have no idea as long as you're going to do that. So in this part-time period, spare some time and contribute by that way. You will be having the happiness, you will be having the gratefulness by doing something with a purity. So you should spread that happiness and gratefulness. That's why at this point, it will definitely be adding exceptional exceptionally much in your motivation towards any factor of your life, right? So okay, so just to sum up today's discussion, I would say that being vigilant of our mood in today's pandemic environment should be our priority to us, all of us. Remaining calm and constructive at times of uncertainty, that actually helps you to address the negative and difficulties which we actually facing in this all pandemic situation. Rest of the factors I share, these gonna contribute to do all this, right, to make yourself motivated. मैं end up करूँगा अपने discussion just with the last phrase of Wasif Ali Wasif. I actually read them a lot and since long. वासिफ अली वासिफ साहब की एक लाइन, उनका एक कोट है एक्चुअली, कि जब आप पे परेशानी आए और आप अगर परेशान हो जाए तो जो परेशानी को एड्रेस करने की स्किल है ना, वो आप पे खत्म हो जाती है, राइट? सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर द वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग यू हैव टू डू इज डोंट वरी एट ऑल अबाउट दैट पर्टिकुलर फैक्टर जो आपको लगता है कि आपको एक डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन में डाल देता है. Only then you can address that. Only then you can take the next step, right? So thank you very much. I am done. If you guys have any question, any queries, most welcome. My Skype, my ID, you can search me on Google as well, right? I am there. All of my information is public. You can ask me right now, or you can ask me at any point in time later as well, right? So I am done, Ahmed.
Thank you very much, Harun bhai. I'll definitely share your Facebook and your other links with the team as well, so they can search you out and they can like directly shoot a question if they have any. And guys, believe me, Harun bhai is always available. And like मैं US में बैठा इनको कभी भी रात के time इनको कभी भी message करूँ, he's always there. And when we decided to bring a guest speaker for the team, and I couldn't think anyone other than Harun bhai, so he has a very high value and I regard him as a very like as one of our mentor. So and he'll stay always there. So
yes, inshallah.
Hopefully. So thank you very much, Harun bhai. It was really great, and it's always great pleasure to listen to you. You have always different ideas, different perspective of life, and we always get educated from you. Thank you, everyone, and
Thank you.
it was really
Thanks,
great
everyone.
session. Thank you very much for being there. Thank you very
Thank you
much
very
for
much, guys.
staying there. I know, guys,
Thank you,
it's
Ji. Allah
already
Hafiz.
late. I know it's already late, and you guys were patiently sitting in there. And thank you for everyone who don't like put on their cameras, but
I agree.
they were there. Thank you, everyone. Inshallah, we'll have
Thank you,
someone
Rajiv.
else
Thank you so
on
much.
the coffee hour next time, and Haroon Bhai will keep joining us as well.
Yeah, inshallah. Anytime when you're gonna call me.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Thank you
you.
very much, Zakila. Allah Hafiz.
Allah.
Thank you, Ji.
I personally want to thank you on the behalf of the team. अभी हम आपसे कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछ रहे क्योंकि वी आर मूव्ड बाय योर वर्ड्स. आपने इतना ज़्यादा टाइम निकाला हमारे लिए और बहुत अच्छा बोला. हम सबको हमने बहुत एंजॉय किया. मतलब हमारा सारा स्ट्रेस रिलीज हो गया. वीकेंड अच्छा गुजरा. थैंक यू.
Thank you. That's what I just want to learn. That's all, right? So at any point in time, whenever and it's actually a payback. Actually, you guys can also do at wherever you are standing, right? Go to your schools, go to your colleges, let them know whatever the little success you have. This is not a little success, by the way, right? So keep paying back, and honestly speaking, you will get as much as you have no idea how much you will get back, right? So that's how you have to pay back. And whenever Ahmed or Fahad or Irfan, whenever they call me, even whenever my any other mashallah, successful people I have in my whole career, whenever they're gonna talk, we sit, we learn from them, and we share what we learn from the others as well. That's how you do the knowledge management. So keep doing in your sector as well unless we again meet again, inshallah. So Allah Hafiz.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Allah
you,
Hafiz,
Harun
guys.
bhai. So nice of you. Allah Hafiz.